Just take a look at some of the photos, messages, and emails we've been getting. John F. said, "I can't believe how well this has worked for me. I've struggled with stomach issues for the last 10 years and tried every high-fiber diet, over-the-counter medication, and supplement out there, but nothing has restored my gut and digestion quite like this 8-second cleanse. I'm just thankful I don't have to deal with hemorrhoids anymore. Thank you, Brian." Or take a look at this photo from Sandra W., who lost over 22 pounds in the process of healing her gut. Sandra said, "I just wanted to make going to the bathroom easier for myself. I never realized how much weight I would lose in the process. Not only am I clearing my bowels regularly, but I feel and look better than I have in years because of this cleanse." And check out this email we got from George C., who said, "I never thought my gut problems would go away. I was diagnosed with IBS, leaky gut, and a host of other problems. Ever since trying this Nordic cleanse each morning, on top of all my gut and digestive problems disappearing, my blood sugar and cholesterol levels are down, and I feel so much more energy now. This is truly life-saving." Now, you've seen the life-changing results for me and thousands of other women and men. I want you to experience the same for yourself right now. I'm proud to introduce Abdomax, the world's first 100% natural solution to fix the newly discovered, scientifically proven root cause of your bad gut health and slow digestion: dormant pepsinogen levels. Inside every capsule is a bespoke proprietary formula of 9 high-quality exotic ingredients and plants, and the exact clinically proven quantities that work on a biological level to increase the production of the pepsinogen molecule, our most important intestinal regulator. So even when you're sleeping or eating potato chips on the couch, you're completely digesting and converting your food into pure, natural, and safe all-day energy. Unlike over-the-counter meds or alternative medicine that are all designed to mask the symptoms and don't actually work on repairing and protecting your gut, Abdomax is unique. It has no additives, toxins, or non-organic ingredients in it at all. So it's not tolerance or habit-forming. Abdomax is manufactured in the USA at our FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility using state-of-the-art precision-engineered machinery and under the strictest and most sterile standards. Each ingredient is 100% plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, vegetarian, and non-GMO, and put through the additional third-party inspections and quality control to ensure high purity and potency. Nothing like Abdomax has ever been seen before. It will ever be seen again. And repairing your gut digestion with Abdomax, it's so easy. It takes just 8 seconds. Yet it's more effective and long-lasting than any special diet or medication on the planet, and these 9 ingredients don't just completely repair your gut. They're also great for supporting a healthy heart, lowering cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and boosting energy levels, and so much more, renewing your overall health at the same time. Okay, it's time for you to finally be able to eat whatever you want without stress and to live life on your own terms again. So close your eyes and imagine that for a second. Imagine sitting down at your favorite restaurant with your friends and being able to order whatever you want without a second thought. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling refreshed and energized as you calmly stroll to the bathroom and clean out your bowels without straining or pushing, and leave you empty and light and excited for lunchtime. Imagine no more stomach cramps or constipation or bloating or diarrhea. Really let yourself feel what that would be like. Doesn't it take your breath away? And then tell me, how much would that be worth? To never deprive yourself of your favorite foods, to never burden your family with worries about your health, to feel how much more fun life can be and what you've been missing out on for so long. What would you give for all of this right now? I'm going to make your decision as easy as it is to heal your gut with Abdomax. So for a limited time only, you can get a massively discounted 30-day supply of Abdomax for a simple one-time fee of just $49. Yes, that's just $49, the lowest price you'll ever see. But before you order, as you've seen in the studies today, the longer you take these natural ingredients, the more you benefit. So if you're over 30 years old, and even if you're under 30, but dealing with gut issues, Dr. Jensen recommends that you take Abdomax for at least 3 to 5 months so it has enough time to work through your entire body to increase your pepsinogen levels, repair your gut, and protect it for years into the future. So to guarantee lifetime results, I'm going to let you order 3 months or 5 months worth of Abdomax today at an outrageously deep discount on today's already special low pricing. And if you're smart and order 3 or 5 months supply, you'll also get a very special bonus item worth $129 absolutely free. So what is this special bonus item, you might be wondering? Well, I'm glad you asked, because today is the very first time that we're doing this. Introducing Z-Cleanse. Z-Cleanse is specifically and uniquely made to work hand in hand with Abdomax. You see, the one major problem those suffering from gut and digestive issues face is a weakened immune system. And as many of you know, the gut or the GI tract is often referred to as your second brain. Meaning, when you have stomach problems, not only is your immune system at risk, but your mood and other aspects of your health are affected. That's where Z-Cleanse comes in and does the heavy lifting for you effortlessly. Z-Cleanse is made up of 100% completely all-natural and safe plant-based ingredients like magnolia flower, velvet bean root, St. John's wort, passion flower, hawthorn, bokapa root, and lemon balm. All designed to supercharge the effects of Abdomax by strengthening your immune system, bringing stress levels down, and giving your body the boost it needs to properly absorb the Abdomax formula. All that and more. Are you ready? I want you to be completely satisfied, so here's the deal. Buy 3 bottles of Abdomax, and we'll gift you the bonus bottle of Z-Cleanse worth $129 absolutely free. Or better still, buy 5 bottles, our most recommended package, and we'll gift you the bonus bottle of Z-Cleanse worth $129 for free. Plus, we'll ship the entire package out to you for free as well. Sound fair? That's how confident we are that you'll love what Abdomax has in store for you. Look below this video. If Abdomax is still in stock, you'll see your 3 money-saving options. Do the right thing for your family and loved ones and choose your package to proceed to the 100% encrypted and secure checkout page that looks like this. Fill in your details, confirm your order, and we'll ship it out the same day to your doorstep. Test drive Abdomax out for yourself now for a whole 2 months risk-free. And if you don't experience a huge difference in your gut and digestion, if you don't see your constipation and bloating disappear, if you don't feel overflowing with energy and enthusiasm as you start eating whatever and you want and whenever you want, or your cholesterol and blood sugar levels don't start dropping, and your bathroom trips don't start becoming easy and stress-free, and even if you use up every bottle and still aren't happy, then I don't want your money. All you need to do is contact us within 60 days and you'll get every cent back. I know this sounds crazy, but that's how much I believe in this solution. I cannot do fairer than that, and all you need to do is claim your discount and take advantage of this amazing risk-free deal. And choose your package below right now and take back control over your gut to become the new you. This is Brian Miller.